All right, welcome back, Money Makers. This is your boy Duran, and as always, I stay making you make new money every single week. This is a new week, Monday. Thank you for all the previous subscriptions and likes and comments. Make sure to join the cash giveaways in the community tabs. We still need participants to participate in those, both the Thanksgiving and the Halloween. So make sure you get that done as soon as possible because we're coming up on our cash giveaway. But I wanted to talk about the Digivante become a tester, a crowd tester. So basically, you can become testing different products and different software solutions. So basically, how it works is you can add your hardware and your software to the different softwares that they have, and then you can receive test project alerts by email, and then you can use your skills to find to find issues and defects, and then issues are rewarded by accuracy. So basically, you're testing these different products to see if there's any defects with them, and if there are, you documenting them as thoroughly as possible. I don't know if that means that you just document where the particular defects is on the products, or if it's actually where you verbally voice your opinion. But I just want to show you that it is payment proof. $100 that I got and received from them. Just so you know that it is legit. You can earn up to at least $100 with doing this or more, depending on how many projects that you can do. You can get paid weekly via PayPal or Pioneer, and then just ways to earn money. So you can every identify every debug or defect, you can document it thoroughly, and you get paid for the following steps in a test case, and letting them know whether they're going to let you know if it fails or pass, and then you can get paid for reproducing or evidencing issues that other testers have raised as well too. So just as you can join their community, you can just go ahead and click on become a tester, and then you'll be able to follow all the little steps that they have here. So get started here, and then you can just go ahead and create a first name, a last name, an email address, a display name, password, confirm the password, and then just confirm some other stuff down here. And then you go ahead and create your account. And then once you log into your account, you'll see a dashboard with different projects and stuff like that. It's kind of similar to user testing. If you a couple of weeks ago, I talked about that. You can get money from that between $100 and $300 per week. And this is the same kind of thing. It's that it's testing different products, and you get paid weekly via PayPal. And I already showed you the $100 that I got from them here. So just kind of let me know if this is something that you want to do. But other than that, take care, Money Makers, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.